Rizal and Diaz.
My profound greetings to our dynamic campus director, Dr. Maria Carla White Takita, active administrative officer 5 at HR designate, Ma'am Emilo A. Tabo-Tabo, the dean and chairman of the various colleges, the competent ROTC personnel headed by Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Braza of the Philippine Army, and our ROTC coordinator, Engineer Romel Baflor and its unit core, and staff with the Corps Commander, First Class Cadet Colonel Michael J. Hortisano, and the indefatigable RAATI team headed by Colonel Ricky F. Parcon of Philippine Army, most respected and alumna and proud of City of Tuburan, have Captain Chuchi Duron of the Philippine Army, energetic cadets and cadets, ladies and gentlemen, a blissful morning to one all. ROTC has been proven in molding each trainee to be more responsible, resilient, disciplined, and service-oriented. Today is a celebration of success that you have surpassed the training under the scorching heat of the sun. But I'm sure you are proud enough of yourselves. We are very much excited and thrilled as you showcase your expertise in various drills as part of this regional annual administrative and tactical inspection. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome you all for this ceremony. Good morning and God bless us all.
Thank you, sir, for that heartwarming welcome. And now, for the turnover of the unit color, may we call on the RAATI Vice Chairman, Major Larry A. Endozo. Again, and now, for the turnover of the unit color, may we call on Captain Chuchi M. Duron, Finance Service, Philippine Army.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Regional Annual Administrative and Tactical Inspection Chairperson, let us welcome Colonel Ricky N. Parcon, Infantry General Staff Corps, Philippine Army.
Maraming salamat. To our campus director and to our NSTP director, Dr. in Universal Diaz, ROTC coordinator, Sergeant Romel D. Baflor, Philippine Army Reserve, Mrs. Emilo A. Tabo-Tabo, our Commandant, Captain Duron, Finance Service, Philippine Army, Assistant Commandant, Lieutenant Trujillo Atuba, our Director of Civil Affairs, CDC, Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Braza, member of the faculty of CPU Tuburan Campus, other staff, advanced and physical basic cadets, good morning. First of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude for a very warm welcome to the member of the Raati Team 2024. And for the arrival honor delivered to me this morning. Thank you very much. Today we will conduct our Raati purposely to evaluate the overall performance of your ROTC units. And that's to include from the training staff down to the performance of the ROTC cadets. So, allow me to introduce the member of the ROTC team. Yours truly, the Deputy Group Commander of 7R CDG, Reserve Command Philippine Army, as the Chairman and Designated Inspector for the Commandant's Briefing, Master Sergeant Alan F. Dador, Infantry Philippine Army, a licensed criminologist and a graduate of Probationary Officer Training Course, and also a commissioned officer in the Reserve Force with the rank of Second Lieutenant. He is also a graduate of Drill Master Training at Headquarters Reserve Command Philippine Army and Scout Ranger Course. Master Sergeant Dador is the designated inspector for comprehensive exam, map reading, practical and theoretical, evaluation of commandant training staff, drills and ceremonies, and rank inspection. Sergeant Jose Bernie P. Bernal, Infantry Philippine Army, a graduate of Infantry and Commissioned Officer Basic Course, Drill Master Training at Headquarters Reserve Command Philippine Army. Sergeant Bernal is the team recorder and at the same time designated inspector for admin management, drills and ceremonies, and rank inspection. Corporal Isidro B. Betco, Infantry Philippine Army, a graduate of Infantry and Commissioned Officer Basic Course, Drill Master Training at Headquarters Reserve Command Philippine Army. Corporal Betco is the designated inspector for first aid, theoretical and practical, disassembly and assembly of M16 rifle, drills and ceremonies, and rank inspection. And lastly, Corporal Benji Tiunteng, Infantry Philippine Army, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and a proud product of our ROTC program, where he finishes Military Science 41 and 42, and formerly the Corps Commander of St. Joseph College of Sindaran Incorporated ROTC unit. He is also the graduate of Drill Master Training at Headquarters of Reserve Command Philippine Army. Corporal Tiunteng is the designated inspector for knot tying, small unit tactics, close order drill, arrival honors, drills and ceremonies, and rank inspection.
Right, Pamela.
Ladies and gentlemen, the member of the Raati team, Master Sergeant Dador, take charge.
From this position, the Corps of Cadets shall proceed to the assembly area for the ceremonial parade and inspection program.